In 7th grade, you will be looking at equilateral triangular pyramids. And equilateral means all 3 sides are the same. And that means we have 4 triangles, and 3 of which are identical. The one that is not identical is at the base, and that's our equilateral triangle. And in this directions, it actually tells us that the area of the base is 15.59 square centimeters. The 3 identical triangles are at the faces that lead up to the apex. And looking here, I know the base is 6 centimeters, and that slant height at the slant is 5.29. So now we have to calculate the area of each face, and we already know one of them, so let's do the other 3. So we do base times height divided by 2. $15.87. And now we have to add all the areas together. So there's 1 purple, and then there's 3 of the red, so I'm going to multiply that by 3. So I'm going to do 15.59 plus 15.87 times 3, and I get 63.2, and I got to include units, square units, centimeters squared. We also have a rectangular pyramid. So before we focus on a square, and a rectangular pyramid has 1 rectangle, and it has 4 triangles. 2 are identical and another 2 are identical. So let's identify them here. So I have my rectangular base, 20 by 16. I also have a triangle right here that has a base of 20 and a height of 32.5. And I have another triangle for the side that has 16, and that has a height of 33. Now we need to calculate the area of each face. In a rectangle, it's just base times height. So 20 times 16 gets me 320. All right, so to find the area of this orange triangle, we do 20 times 32.5 divided by 2, and I get 325. And in blue, I'm going to do 16 times 33 divided by 2 equals 264. Now we have to add all the areas together.
So I'm going to add 320 plus 325, but there's 2 of those sides, so I'm going to multiply by 2, plus 264 times 2, because there's 2 blue ones.
And I get 1,498. Square units would be meters squared. So remember that there's 1 rectangle, 2 identical triangles, and another set of 2 identical triangles.